More and more people are using their phones to communicate, and this is why texting has become the most used form of communication. Imagine how much money you can make with just your phone. You'll never be bored again. In this video, I'll show you how to get paid $5 per text message you send in an easy way. But before we start, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. That way you will be notified whenever I have a new video on how to make money online. I am always sharing new, amazing and effective methods, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And will be great if you comment down below and tell me from which country you are watching this video so I can create specific videos for your region. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any questions or concerns regarding the video, please leave a comment below. I would like also to tell you this won't work for you until you watch the whole video, so keep watching the entire video. At the end of this video, I will give you an amazing tool to earn money quickly, so watch till the end. Now let's get back to the video. Do you know that you can just text and give friendship to other individuals who are searching for friendship in return for money? This is a good chance that many of you have never heard of this. Today I will show you a website where you can earn money just by texting and giving friendships to others. This is a website named friendpc.com. Simply said, it is a website where you can make money by being a virtual friend of another person. The primary goal of this website is to connect individuals with similar interests and hobbies and to make money as a result. Anyone may make whatever amount of money they like by simply registering, selecting the kind of friendly service they wish to provide, and establishing pricing for that service. How do you make money at FriendPC? You will get money through FriendPC simply by signing up and selecting that your account will be used to make friendly bookings. To put it another way, anybody who approaches you and asks to be your friend may pay you whatever you determine. The greatest aspect is that you don't need to invest a dime to be seen on the site. People will be able to choose who they wish to pay for the friendship service by reading a short description of their preferences on this site. As a result, as a virtual friend, you must provide specific details about your preferences and contributions. Registering for the website is super easy. It's important to know what you need to perform well in FriendPC, as it's utilized for virtual friendships. To begin, it's important to treat everyone with respect, as they are paying for our service. Additionally, you must be extroverted, or at the very least be able to initiate and keep a discussion, since that is the primary goal of this website. People will pay to converse with other humans, not machines, therefore you must be compassionate too. Now if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get all my new videos on how to earn money online.